First tonight, a little back and forth as Southaven's mayor is firing back at Mississippi officials over the recent rise in COVID-19 cases. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Janae Lewis. Governor Tate Reeves says DeSoto County has more cases than any other county in the state, but Southaven's mayor says that's misleading. WREG's Quamicha Wilborn is live in DeSoto County tonight. Quamicha, you spoke to a medical expert, so what does he have to say about all of this?
Yeah, the infectious disease specialist I spoke to says no matter how you spin it, COVID-19 cases are on the rise everywhere. And in DeSoto County's case, he says if anyone wants to see those cases go down, they're going to have to take those necessary steps to stay safe. In a Facebook post titled, "Setting the Record Straight for DeSoto County," Southaven Mayor Darren Musslewhite plans to do just that when it comes to COVID cases in the county. This after Governor Reeves and the state's health officer made comments in regard to the substantial increase in cases.
It is a county that over the 2-week period of the data that we looked at had more positive cases than any other county in the state.
DeSoto is on fire. I mean, it's red hot cases. And if I lived in DeSoto, I wouldn't go out. I'd stay in my house as much as possible and be very, very careful.
Governor Reeves says over a 2-week period, DeSoto County saw more than 900 cases, more than any other county in the state. The governor says it's just a few dozen fewer than the Jackson metropolitan area. But Mayor Musslewhite says the information is, quote, misleading. In his post, he says, considering DeSoto County's adjacency to Shelby County, Tennessee, we are by far the most heavily and densely populated county in Mississippi, totaling more than 1 million people, more than double the population of the Jackson area counties quoted by our governor. Musslewhite also claims many of the people in the case count do not live in the county and only test there due to proximity. Baptist Hospital's infectious disease specialist, Dr. Threlkeld, says while he can't confirm whether non-residents are indeed included in the case count, he knows the virus knows no boundaries.
Those adjacent counties have impacts on each other. And those things we have to watch out for because that can play a role in strategies of how you do things. According to the Mississippi Department of Health, DeSoto County has a little more than 8,700 total cases. And as of last week, a positivity rate of 16.2%. As far as hospital capacity, 10 of the county's 48 ICU beds are occupied by COVID patients, with only 1 ICU bed available. All of these areas are in a situation that is extremely concerning. And the relativity between them and among them is far less of an issue compared to the global problem that we face together. And Mayor Musslewhite says he still recommends that everyone take necessary precaution to stay safe, including social distancing, wearing masks, and proper hygiene. Live in Southaven, Quamicha Wilborn, WREG News Channel 3.